Alright, here are solutions to perfect problem 1 for Math 95. We're given this huge mess of a complex expression and asked to simplify it. And it gives a little hint that if you Google, you can figure out what this answer is. The A's have won the American League pennant. They've gone to the World Series 3 times in my lifetime. 88, 89, and 90? We only won the World Series in 89, beat the Giants. But anyways, okay, so you have this huge mess right here, and you want to simplify it. I think the first thing you'll want to do is take care of this thing on the left. If it were just a fraction divided by a fraction, we could deal with it because we know how to divide fractions. It's kind of like multiplying fractions, but you multiply by the reciprocal. This one's a little bit harder because it's not a fraction by a fraction. It's kind of two fractions added together divided by two fractions added together. But we can turn it into a fraction divided by a fraction by getting a common denominator on the top and on the bottom here. So instead of 2, you can think about this as 2 over 1, and then the common denominator would be x minus 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom of this guy by x minus 3. And then over here, my least common denominator is x squared, so I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom here by x, so that I have x squared in both of them. So what that gives me, I guess I'll jump down here, is 2 times x minus 3 plus 11, all divided by x minus 3. That's what's up on top of this fraction here. And that whole thing is divided by 2x plus 5 divided by x squared. And then don't forget we still have this minus 9 over x minus 3 over here. Okay. Let's see, this thing on the left here, 2 times x minus 3 is 2x minus 6. So I got 2x minus 6 plus 11 divided by x minus 3. And then instead of dividing these fractions, you can multiply by the reciprocal. So this flipped upside down is x squared over 2x plus 5. And then I still have to subtract the 9 over x minus 3. Okay, this looks like a huge mess, but thankfully it simplifies pretty nicely. Guess I can just write it right below. 2x minus 6 plus 11. Negative 6 plus 11 is 2x plus 5. Which is good news because right next to it here we have a 2x plus 5 in the denominator. So those guys will cancel out. So this 2x plus 5 and this 2x plus 5 cancel out. And if I scroll down a little bit, what I'm left with is x squared over x minus 3 minus 9 over x minus 3. This one minus this one. Same denominator. I can just write x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. But I'm still not done because x squared minus 9 is a difference of squares. So I can rewrite that as x plus 3 times x minus 3, all divided by x minus 3. And I can cancel one more time, x minus 3 on the top and the bottom, and be left with my final answer, x plus 3. Which I'll put a big box around because I'm happy to be done. And that checks out with up here, final answer is x plus p. This right here is 3. We went to the World Series in 89, 90, 88, 89, and 90. Let's see, lost to the Reds, lost to the Dodgers, and beat the Giants, if you're curious. But that's the end of this perfect problem.